Hi friends, I am Chef Jacob. Today I am not here to introduce a new recipe to you, but a new friend. Can you guess who? Well, it's a wonder mixer from LG Ultra, the Choice Plus. Those who are using Ultra products would know how technologically superior they are. And this one is no exception. With a host of never before features, this one is sure to become a plus in your kitchen. Let's see what makes Choice Plus a special mixie.
Choice Plus mixers come with the most powerful motor in the market, a whole of 1000 watts. The square jars are designed with flow breakers to achieve the optimum grinding efficiency. The well-designed blade, made from high-grade steel, meets the challenging performance requirements. The speed dial is a potentiometer, giving the customer the choice to choose any speed as against 2 or 3 speeds available in other mixer grinders. LED timer defines the grinding time to help you achieve the necessary consistency each time.
Not only this, keeping your safety in mind, Ultra Choice Plus comes with an additional safety feature to minimize the risk of electric shock.
The redesigned plug in the Ultra Choice Plus mixer comes with a hook for easy plugging and unplugging. This reduces the chances of an electric shock even when operated with wet hands.
On the whole, it's a power-packed mixie made sturdier by using aluminum body and plastic made from high-grade engineering materials to ensure long life. Now let's see how this performs. To make pomegranate juice, cut the fruit, remove the seeds and the flesh. Oops, it's a laborious process. That's what you think, but it's very simple.
Drop the deshelled pomegranate seeds into the jar and churn it at a very low speed. The flesh will be juiced without crushing the seeds. The uncrushed seeds remain in the mesh.
Wow. See, you get 100% fruit juice without the seeds. Wonderful, isn't it? But this is just a beginning. As a chef in my kitchen, I face all kinds of challenges almost daily. Be it dry grinding spices, wet grinding cereals, or just juicing fruits, I always look for texture and consistency. Choice Plus meets all my expectations. That's why I strongly feel Choice Plus can be your best kitchen companion.
Besides making delicious juice, the efficient, powerful 1000-watt motor of Choice Plus helps to mix, grate, whip, mince, blend and grind everything from cereals to vegetables to raw and cooked meat and fish.
In short, Choice Plus mixie is an all-rounder for all the right reasons. Now, let me show you a few more reasons why Choice Plus is unique.
The unique speed dial function in Ultra Choice Plus mixer helps to control the speed of the grinding to achieve different levels of consistency based on personal preference and taste.
Now, that's a plus, isn't it? Here's another advantage.
The mixer can be run at slow speeds to churn the butter better, mash cooked greens, grind chutneys and masalas to the required consistency and make all kinds of juices. The slower working of the mixer reduces the internal temperature, thus allowing chutneys and masalas to retain their nutritive values. Moreover, the reduced heating prevents food from souring fast. The juices thus prepared, when tested, had a 25% higher vitamin content compared to juices made using regular mixers.
Now you know what to do when your kids ask for a cool drink. You know what? Whenever housewives meet me, they ask me an usual question. Chef, with the present mixie what I have, I'm getting chutney, masala, batter, everything in the same consistency but not to the required consistency. What should I do? Here is my answer to them. Use the timer option in Choice Plus. Run the mixie for a particular time at the selected speed till you get the required texture or consistency. Repeat the same every time. By now, you must have noticed the unique design of the jars.
The jars in Ultra Choice Plus are uniquely designed. They are shaped to add to the performance. Unlike the conventional jars, the square jars push the material towards the blade by preventing them from circling closer to the walls of the jar.
And the result? Faster grinding.
The jars have been designed for easy cleaning. The gasket integrated with lid makes it easier to clean the lid after the use.
You don't have to struggle to open the lid. Just a push of a thumb is all that's required. The confidence of Ultra in Choice Plus is so much that the company gives it an unprecedented 5-year warranty. With all these never-before features, Choice Plus is going to surely revolutionize the way you use a mixie. With this Wonder Mixie, your cooking is made more easier. You'll have much more time to spend with your family. But don't take my word for it. Test it for yourself and see how it is a plus in your kitchen and in your life too. As for me, I'm completely satisfied with Choice Plus. It's the most efficient mixie I have ever used.
LG Ultra Choice Plus, the perfect companion.
Thank you, Choice Plus. Thank you, LG Ultra.